Okay, students, today we will be drawing the diagram of rainwater harvesting and we will be covering question answers also, right? So students, what is rainwater harvesting? Can anybody tell? You had done in previous class also. Hanji, boliye.
The process of giving back water to the ground by using pipes.
No. Any other child?
When the rainwater on the roofs and roads collected from small pipes.
It is rainwater harvesting is conserving the rainwater by collecting it from the rooftops and the roadsides, right? So what is the advantage of rainwater harvesting? It helps in replenishment of groundwater, the biggest advantage. You can store water and use it when you need it. In scarcity of water in the areas where there is scarcity, this is very helpful, right? So let us start. I hope you remember something when you draw it in 6th standard. This is ground level. You have to draw the house here. Please use the scales to draw. And no noise should be there. Here you can draw the gate. A beautiful house you can draw. Then windows for ventilation. Right? Then students, at the top, here, this is the terrace, rooftop. The water is collected here. How it will be collected? The water which comes during the rainfall. Like this. It gets collected here. On the rooftops. Then beta, this water, it is brought down by a pipe known as रेन वाटर पाइप. इसको ग्राउंड लेवल तक ले आओ. यहां से मैंने ये रिमूव कर दिया ताकि हम दिखा सके कि वाटर इज बीइंग सेंट. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर द वाटर इज सेंट, लाइक ये लाइन सीधी कर दें, here, right? The water is sent under the ground where we have a container. The water is sent here. Got it? It goes here and it is collected here. Is that clear? Now this is a ground level. ये भी ग्राउंड लेवल चल रहा है. ग्राउंड लेवल के नीचे, और यहां पे इसको हम कवर कर देते हैं एक स्लैब से. वी हैव कवर्ड दिस विद अ स्लैब, राइट? ग्राउंड लेवल से हमने इसको कवर कर दिया. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ the water which is stored here, it is not clean. It may contain some soil dust particles. For that, we have to send this water to another container, or you can say we can make a percolation pit in it. What is a percolation pit? It is a pit in which there are 3 layers where water will get automatically filtered. कौन सी होती है ये? Broken bricks. ये ग्रेवल है, बजरी जिसको आप बोलते हो, छोटी छोटी पत्थरियां, like this, and this is porous sand. This it will be known as percolation pit. Labeling we will be doing later on. Water is allowed to pass through it and water it enters here. Water is made to pass through these 3 layers of percolation pit. Now, when the water, it passes through these layers, at the end, we will again make a pipe. This pipe will take the clean water into a pit. ऐसे बना लो आप, और चाहे तो आप इसको थोड़ा और लंबा कर सकते हो. वेयर इज द डस्टर? बिकॉज ये बड़ा है ना. Like this. This is at ground level. ठीक है? Is that clear? Now the water will get collected here. Right? Let us start with the labeling. These are clouds. This is house. This is ground level. Now this is rooftop. This is rooftop. Here the rainwater is collected. Right? Now this is, इस पाइप को क्या बोलते हैं? रेन वाटर पाइप. रेन वाटर पाइप. And this is rainwater. Got it? Draw it. Then beta, after this is underground. किसका बना हुआ है ये? कंक्रीट का. मजबूत बनाएंगे हम. Storage tank. Storage tank. This is slab cover. Now, what is this? Percolation pit. How will we write? Broken bricks, gravel, porous sand, and these 3 will form a percolation pit. Clear? हाँ जी. Now this is a, यहां से जो पानी जा रहा है, outlet pipe, and this is another pit. इसको आप रिचार्ज वेल भी बोल सकते हो. This is the diagram of रेन वाटर रूफटॉप. बेसिकली आपने प्रीवियस क्लास में 2 टाइप्स के करे होंगे. हाँ, तो दिस इज रूफटॉप रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग, बट वी विल जनरली वी आर यूजिंग दिस मेथड, तो वी विल से रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग ओनली. राइट? 1 मिनट. बाय एनी मेथड, इधर तो अगर ये रिचार्ज वेल के तौर पे काम कर रहा है, राइट, तो ये नीचे सारा ग्राउंड में जाता जाएगा, इट विल बी रिप्लेनिश्ड. तो पर्कोलेशन पिट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी हमें, यहीं से वो नीचे निकाल देंगे जो हमने रोड साइड में किया था. इफ इट इज देयर तो क्या करते हैं, इसको कवर कर देते हैं. राइट? तो इसमें से व्हेन रिक्वायर्ड अंडरग्राउंड से निकाल लेते हैं. राइट? हाँ जी प्रबल, यू वांट टू से समथिंग? प्रबल, Prabal, you are not audible to me. Yes, Prabal. Do you have any doubt?
मैम गलती से हैंड रेज हो गया था मैम. मैम गलती से हैंड रेज हो गया था.
कोरस सैंड, COARS, कोरस मीन्स मोटी मोटी, खुरदरी. हाँ जी बेटा प्रबल, you are not saying anything. Okay, right? Draw it hurriedly. Then we are going to start with question answers, right? Huh? We don't need to draw roadside. But this one is sufficient. Okay? Otherwise, I'll ask another teacher. But I think this is sufficient. This much is given in your book. Hanji, someone is not visible. But if from my side, camera is fully visible. It is shown on my screen. Make use of scale so that lines drawn are straight. Right? I hope ये chapter सबको समझ में आ गया. Very easy chapter, but lot of questions are asked from this chapter. Is that clear? Those who have not sent their PPTs, please send it soon. Afterwards, I won't send any message and you will be marked 0 because that is subject enrichment activity. Right? Please send the PPTs. Straight properly, Sean. Hurry up, students. Draw it. Then we are going to start with question answers. From tomorrow, we will be starting another chapter that is light. Very interesting, important and a new concept for you. Lens, mirrors के बारे में details हैं. Is that clear? Light, shadow, reflection आपने last time भी किया है. But that was just a little bit of introduction. In 7th, we are going to learn about lens, their use, mirrors, right? Ray diagrams. So be ready for that. Shreya, from my side, the board is very much clear. There may be a problem in network connection of your side. Don't worry, we are having the recorded lecture. Last 2 minutes I am giving you to complete up this diagram. Then we are going to start with question answers discussion. Okay? Thank you, Javan. Got it? Sit properly, bache. This is not the way to sit in the class. To cover it ताकि बाहर से और dust ना उसके अंदर जाए. If there will be polythene papers inside it, it will get blockage. The whole class has to go now. Go. Go from that side. Don't come in front of camera. Don't talk, bache. What's your name? What? Sit down. Yes, students, shall we start with question answers online? Hope it is done. Online students, thank you. Let us start with question answers. Open your books. Page number 203. Look forward. You don't have the book? Why? You know we can't share also. Sit properly then. Note down in your notebook. Shall we start now? Mark T if the statement is true and F it is false. Good. मिलनी थी अब. जब डबल काम करना पड़ना था तब मिलनी थी. चलिए, very good. Okay, students. The fresh water stored in the ground is much more than that present in the rivers and lakes of the world. True. It is true. Water shortage is a problem faced only by people living in rural areas. Shabd. False, because water problem is faced equally by urban people also. Water from rivers is the only source for irrigation in the fields. ईशान, आपको बोला मैंने. Very right, false. Rain is the ultimate source of water. True. Now raise your hands. Explain how groundwater is recharged. Explain how groundwater is recharged, Arish.
Groundwater is recharged by the help of the rain. When it rains, the water from the rain seeps down into the ground, and the groundwater is recharged.
What do you call this process? Infiltration. Very right. Speak loudly, Arish. Again, how you can recharge the groundwater?
The groundwater is recharged by the help of the rain. When it rains, the rainwater seeps into the ground, and this process is known as infiltration.
Very right. When it rains, the rainwater, it seeps into the ground, and groundwater is recharged. This process is known as infiltration. Next question. There are 10 tubewells in a lane of 50 houses. Means एक lane में 50 houses are there and there are 10 tubewells. What could be the long-term impact on the water table? Water table पे इसका क्या असर होगा?
The impact on the water table would be harsh because the water table would go down fastly as there are 10 tube wells for 50 houses.
I guess answer should be like this. कोई और देना चाहता है इसका आंसर? Because it's a thoughtful. हाँ.
The effect on the water table depends on the replenishment of underground water. The water used for daily domestic purpose will not affect the water table, but if the storage
Sit down.
of
सारा solutions से उठाया हुआ है. Yes, students. बच्चे he is saying 50 houses की lane में 10 tubewells are there. Means क्या होगा? अगर 10 ट्यूबवेल्स है तो 5 घरों को एक ट्यूबवेल मिल रहा है. Right? Means one tubewell is distributing the water to 5 houses. Right? So ground water का recharge किस पे डिपेंड करता है? वाटर टेबल पर किस पे डिपेंड करता है? No, उसकी यूजेज पे. If you are using it wisely and refilling is done, water is replenished thoughtfully, then there will be no impact on water table. It will remain okay. But if there is a continuous use of groundwater, like tubewell is using the groundwater continuously and refilling is not done, infiltration is not there, then water table will go down. Is that clear? हमें नहीं पता वो यूज कैसे कर रहे हैं, उसने सिर्फ वाटर टेबल का इफेक्ट बताया है. तो we have to clear this point कि if replenishment is there, if infiltration is done, then water table will not be affected much. It will remain same. But if the usage is more, apart from domestic use, water is used for other purposes also, and that much water is not replenished, then the water table will get down. Is that clear? Is that clear to all? Hope it is clear to online students also. Hanji, who has raised the hand? प्रबल महाजन चाहिए बेटा. माधव, go. Yes, Prabal. Okay. If this is done, coming to next question. You have been asked to maintain a garden. आपको बोला गया है garden maintain करो. How will you minimize the use of water? What is drip irrigation? You have to explain each and every point. You are in 7th standard, not in 3rd, 4th. What is drip irrigation? Now page is turning. कल बताया मैंने क्या होती है ड्रिप इरिगेशन. ड्रिप देते हैं ना, ड्रिप देते हैं. हाउ टू लर्न. ड्रिप देते हैं, इंजेक्शन लगाते हैं, सीधा इन्फ्यूज कर देते हैं. पूरा ग्लास पानी का नहीं पिलाते, इंजेक्शन इन्फ्यूज करते हैं, सीधा पेट के अंदर जाता है, ब्लड में जाता है ग्लूकोज. तो इसमें क्या है, ड्रिप इरिगेशन करनी है. water pipes are there that are giving the water directly to the base, to the roots, right? ऊपर से पानी नहीं फेंकना उन्होंने बाल्टी उठा के. दिस इज ड्रिप इरिगेशन. क्या है ड्रिप इरिगेशन? फर्स्ट उसने क्या बोला है, हाउ विल यू मेंटेन द गार्डन बाय कंजर्विंग वाटर. नंबर 1 शी इज सेइंग ड्रिप इरिगेशन. एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज ड्रिप इरिगेशन. Which tubes? Injection tubes? Narrow water tubes? No. Drip irrigation is a process in which plants are watered by using narrow tubes where water is given directly at the base or the roots. Right? आगे, next. It will help to conserve water. Next. Rainwater harvesting could be done. ठीक है. Here in our garden, in our fields, we can make some pits to store rainwater. Right? और कोई point? हाँ. ओके बेटा, एक गार्डन मेंटेन करना है, उसमें 1 ग्लास पानी तुम यूज करोगे टू वॉश द वेजिटेबल्स, 2 ग्लास यूज करोगे. हाउ कैन यू वाटर द प्लांट्स विद दैट? राइट, यू कैन यूज दैट वाटर फॉर सम अदर पर्पस एट योर होम. ओके, देन बेटा नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, गार्डन पे ही रहो ना, आप घर में मत जाओ. ठीक है. You can repair the broken pipes. बच्चे उसको प्लेस दो निकलने के लिए. If you want to go outside, आगे से यहां से पीछे से जाना है. Don't disturb others. Okay? Yes, students. You can repair the pipes also, broken pipes. That will also help in water conservation. So basically 3-4 points है. 1 हमने क्या किया, मेजर ड्रिप इरिगेशन. We can do rainwater harvesting. And number 3, broken pipes, repairing of broken pipes. Right? Next question. Explain करने, headings नहीं बोलनी सिर्फ, क्योंकि because you are in 7th, तो आपको जैसे आपका ना क्वेश्चन आया था टेस्ट में भी, दिस टाइम आई हैव नॉट डिडक्टेड द मार्क्स, ऑनलाइन ऑल्सो. पहला क्वेश्चन था फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द क्लाइमेट वाला, उसमें था ह्यूमिडिटी, टेम्परेचर, विंड स्पीड वगैरह, है ना. तो ये चीजें आपने साथ में एक्सप्लेन भी करनी है. इन 3 पॉइंट्स के 3 मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे आपको. यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन दीज ऑल्सो. सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक अवनी ने कर रखी थी, नो वन एल्स हैज डन.
Mama, I have also explained.
Prabal? Yes, students. Explain the factors responsible for depletion of water table. खड़े खड़े में हो रहे हैं. रुद्रांश. यस. और कोई, मैंने कल 5 to 6 पॉइंट्स लिखवाए हैं. एनीबडी? ईशान. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, इंक्रीजिंग पॉपुलेशन, इसको आप एक्सप्लेन करोगे हाउ?
Increasing population, when the population will be more, the water usage will be more. So this is the one factor of depletion of water table.
Anybody who want to add on this point?
Yes, with the increasing of population, there is more usage of water, like the need of more roads, more houses. So
Construction sites and daily usage of water in daily routine things will be increased,
and it's not replenished.
right? Whereas the amount of water to be used is fixed. Second point, फटाफट बोलो.
Increase in industries, water is used by all the industries, and the number of industries is increasing continuously. So, water used by most of the industries is drastic.
Second point is increase in industries. As population is increasing, industries are also increasing to meet their demand. So usage of water is increasing. As a result, water table is depleting. Next,
More agricultural activities.
same, because population is increasing, we need more supply of food. Madhavari, as supply of food is demand and supply of food is more usage of water is there, which will result in depletion of water table. Number 4, Arish. Scanty rainfall means less rainfall. Hanji.
If there is no rainfall in the area, then the water is not. Then the
If there is less rainfall or no rainfall, then the groundwater will not be replenished and usage is there. As a result, water table will go down. Any other point?
Reuse of water, the fixed water can be
This is the steps to conserve water. Reuse कहाँ से आ गया? हम बता रहे हैं डिप्लीशन को कैसे रोकना है.
revival of management.
This is also water management.
When deforestation, trees are cut to make houses, and if there are no trees, it will lead to deforestation, plus no rainfall and
No. If deforestation is there, there will be no trees. As a result, what will happen? Seepage of water in the soil will not be there. Groundwater will not be replenished. Right? Number 2, trees also play important role in the formation of clouds because they lose water. If trees will not be there, then cloud formation will not be there. If cloud formation will not be there, rainfall will not be there. So infiltration will not take place. Done? I hope 5 to 6 points are done. Fill in the blanks with appropriate answers. Rest of you, those who are sitting and not writing anything, just looking at my face. People obtained groundwater through dash and dash. Wells or tubewells and hand pumps. 3 forms of water are. Water की पूछी है मैंने. Ice, water, water vapor. क्या है 3 forms of water? The water bearing layer of the earth is aquifer. The process of water seepage into the ground is infiltration. Solid, liquid, gas is the wrong answer. उसने water की forms पूछी हैं. They are ice, water and water vapor. Next, 7th question. Which one of the following is not responsible for water shortage? Rapid growth of industries, ये भी responsible है. Increasing population, responsible है. Heavy rainfall, not responsible. Mismanagement of water resources, this is also responsible. So heavy rainfall is the right answer. Choose the correct option. The total water in the lakes and river of the world remains constant? No. Sometimes they get dried, sometimes they are over flooded. Under the ground remains constant because water table is going down. In the seas and oceans of the world remain constant? No. Of the world remains constant? किसी ना किसी फॉर्म में वाटर इधर उधर होता रहता है, कभी सॉलिड फॉर्म में, कभी आइस, कभी गैसियस फॉर्म में, कभी लिक्विड फॉर्म में, बट टोटल वाटर इट रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. It is not going to change. Last part, fourth, right? Make a sketch showing groundwater and water table. Label it. That we had done yesterday. कॉपी पे कौन कौन से करने हैं? नोट डाउन. सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ एंड नाइन्थ. और एक ही डायग्राम भी बनाओगे. नाइन्थ, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ एंड नाइन्थ. Last benchers, 2 minutes are left. You can check this diagram hurriedly. If you have any doubt to anyone, look forward, beta. How are you sitting? Then you can ask me right now if you have any doubt. मैंने कल बनाया नहीं, मैं ग्रुप में नहीं डालूंगा. कल का लेक्चर रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर पड़ा हुआ है हमारा, ठीक है.